Product Configurator from InsightWorks is an add-on for Dynamics 365 Business Central that simplifies the creation of bill of materials and routings, as well as makes quote and order generation more efficient. With Product Configurator, it is easy to set up and select specific options for products that you manufacture and sell. Whether you assemble or produce simple items with only a few configurable options or more complex items with thousands of options, Product Configurator reduces data entry time while increasing order accuracy. For example, let's say you produce and sell office furniture and you offer a conference room package. Product Configurator enables you to create a package that includes all the components along with any available options. Now, when an order is placed, you simply select the pre-configured package and modify the options. With Product Configurator, you'll stop searching endlessly for part numbers, reduce errors, and streamline the ordering process. For more information, visit our website or reach out to your Microsoft Dynamics partner. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.